errors, and also I made some that means
Yes, like
marks
result.
result sheet. Okay,
Yes.
so but that are
Or
deleted.
report call.
Report card, but that are deleted. That are deleted. So what can I do? Should I make it again, or I should explain it without making that result sheet? What will be good for you? You just tell me what will be good for you.
Explain simply.
Explain without making it again.
Yes.
Okay. So students, what are let me first tell me what are average. So wait. What are average? So students, average means, suppose you got in 3 subject marks like Hindi, English and Maths, 33, 35 and 40. So if someone will ask what is the average of getting the in 3 subject marks, then students, what you will do, you will add these 3 numbers and will divide by 3. So the same operation will be done by the average function also. So suppose I have the average marks, I have the marks of the students, okay, like 23, 45, 34, 45, this one. I have these marks, and I need to average of the students over here. So I will write one function, AVERAGE, then bracket, and I will select, I will write the range. Range means that means to from which and till which you want the average. So I will click on this column, and then last I will click this and just press enter button. So what is the average? 38. What is the average? 38. Okay. Okay, students.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So suppose so this is the main function of average. What is the main function? To get the average of the numbers. Next function, so average function is completed. Let me write here, average function is completed. Next one is, next function, student, that are today function. What is
Today.
today function? Today, TODAY, today. So what this function do? I am just writing here. Today function. This function. This function will display the current date in the selected cell. So today this function will display the current date in the selected. Suppose I want the current date over here, so I will write equal to and today and bracket and press enter button. You got today's date. Just see here, 28, date 28, month 8, and sun, that means 2020. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. So students, some more functions I'm going to tell. Next function is max function. What is max? So this function this function used to find largest value in the given range. That means, suppose students, I have this range from this one to this one, this complete range, and I want the number which is max, which is larger, the largest. So basically this will give the number. Suppose I am writing max and I am writing the range, this one to column this one. So this close. So E6 to E10. E6 means this is E6 and last one E10, and press enter button. You got 45. Are you able to see here? 45 is the greatest, it means largest number. Can you see this?
Yes.
So,
Sir.
so by this function you can get easily the largest number. Next function, MIN. So what it will print? By the name, what it will print? This function used to find minimum, minimum or smallest value in the given range. Is it clear?
Yes.
So, suppose I am applying here equal to MIN and this range to this range. Sorry. This range column to this range. So what should be answer we will get? What answer we will get?
23.
Very nice. Just see here, you got 23. This one. So I think your concept is clearing right now. Is it clearing?
Yes.
Is it clearing or not?
Clear.
So very nice, student. Next, I need to explain one more function, count. COUNT. So what this function will do? This function used to count the number of elements. Okay, so I will count by this function how many digits in this that means particular range. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many digits? How many digits? 5. So if I will apply equal to COUNT count, and sorry, I will give range from this one column from this one. Okay, press enter button, you get 5. You got the answer? Did you get the answer?
Yes. Yes.
So your concept is clearing or not?
Clear.
Very nice. So students, you will watch the videos which I will send in the group. Student, you should
Yes, sir.
you should watch the videos which I send in the group. Okay.
Yes.
Satyam.
Yes, sir.
Just are you watching the my class?
Yes, sir.
Every concept is clearing. That means you do not have any confusion.
No, sir.
So you should watch the videos in the YouTube also. I will upload. I will give the link and you should watch so that your concept can again build a very strong. That means if you watch the video again and again, then what happened? Your basic concept. That means the foundation of your
It will create.
It will create the foundation strong. Is it clear?
Yes.
So next function, student, there are one more function, month function, date function. year function. So basically these functions are used with today function. I think you people will be are you confusing? Suppose I am writing here equal to today, TODAY, today. So what I am getting, students? What I am getting? What I am getting?
Date.
So odd, that means returns the number rounded up the nearest odd integer, and returns the number rounded up to the nearest odd integers. That means what it will do? What it will do? Odd, if you pass any number, students, then what happen? Returns the number rounded up the nearest odd integers. If I use this one, ODD, odd equal to this one colon enter, then you got 23. Basically it will take only one integer, so it will not take the ranges. So suppose if I write here 34.89 and I'm writing here equal to ODD, this one and this one, press enter button, what you will get? 35. What you are getting? What you are getting?
35.
35. So the definition of odd function is, listen, the definition of odd function is to returns the number rounded up the nearest odd integer. Is it clear? Nearest odd, that means if I write, let me take one more example. Suppose I have written 56.89. So if I apply this odd function, then what value will get? What value will get? Tell me. Which type of value you will get? Tell me. Is 57. 57.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Just check here. Student, can you give me 5 minutes more so that I can finish some more functions? Only 5 minutes. Okay.
History class is there, sir.
Only 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. You get 50. Okay. You can you do some more functions on the screen? Just use the pencil and write some functions on the screen. I'm waiting for you.
Sir, which function you have to write? Sir,
Yes. Yes, students.
which function we have to write?
Just can you write the int function, int, int?
Yes,
int function. Use int function. Achha, one more question. Okay, leave it. I'm just explaining one more thing. Suppose int, just I'm explaining the difference between int function and odd function. Basically, let me delete this. Achha, one function remains, nice students. That was a month function. Month function, I think, remains. Month function remains. That was remains, nice students.
Over.
No,
This function is not getting correct answer.
Right. Wait. 2000.
You are not coming. Not coming.
Wait. Let me do again. This is if I apply this month month and on this particular cell, okay, this one, press enter button, you get 1. This is the correct. This is the correct way, students. This is the correct way. Listen.
Not understand.
Not understand. Suppose, wait, I am just doing everything for you, don't worry. Suppose I have a cell that are having some dates like 2 slash, that means after that there will be month, so month will be 12, and there is the sun 2020, and I want the month of this cell, so I will use equal to month month, and what I will do, I will use this cell and click and press enter button. What I will get? What I will get? 2, and if I use equal to day, sorry, month, and what function? Another function was year. Year, and I will use this one, G2 2020. So are you getting the right result? Are you getting the right result?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if I write this is month, this is date, suppose date is that means 25. So if I say equal to month month, and this I want this particular cell G12, and press enter button. You got 12. So what is the month you got? Month is 12.
Sir,
Yes.
first we have to write the correct date, then we have to write the formula.
Right. So basically, this function is used to get the month, to get the year from the given date, from the given date. Okay. Is it clear? Suppose.
Yes.
Suppose if I'm right, sorry, wait, equal to day, and this, sorry, many times I'm day, then enter, and if I write this one, press this enter button, you get 25. What is the 25? 25 is the date. Is it clear?
Yes.
So are you getting the correct things right now? Right now you are getting the correct things?
Yes.
So if you want the month, then how you will use the function? How you will use the function? month month bracket, then you will select this cell and press bracket button and press enter button. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice. And one more differences I want to tell you. Just see here the differences between int function and odd function. So odd function, just write this function.
Sir, Science teacher started to teach.
Okay. So you can leave, students. I will drop this video on YouTube. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, nice.